You can turn your Facebook group into a powerful, engaging community that practically sells for you. Today, in part 2 of this series, I'm going to share some powerful strategies that's going to help you build a loyal, active group while boosting your sales without even selling. Step 1, you want to set up what's called an engagement trigger. And what an engagement trigger is a post that you'll do. It can be a post, survey, poll, video. It can be any one of those things, but you want that thing to encourage engagement. So that's likes and comments and sharing. So you want it to be something like an open-ended question. And you want that open-ended question to be related to your product or your service. Same with the poll or the survey. You want to ask a question, and I don't know, I think they give you multiple choice, or you can do a written answer. Whatever it is, you don't want it to just be random. Like, what do you hope to get for Christmas? I don't know. Maybe that could actually be part of your questions, but you want that poll or the open-ended question to be part of your niche. I think one of the first things that we did with our buyers group was that feature on the Facebook group where they let you welcome new members automatically. So when somebody joins your group, there's this automated message that pops up, I think every week, and then it welcomes the list of people that joined last week. So you could do that. That's step number 2. Step number 3 is you want to share value-based tips. We kind of went over this in the last video, but with the product the product that you sell, you want to share tips on how to take care of it, how to keep it from getting damaged, ways to use it, where you can hang it up at. You could post it on, I don't know, you could tell them what to do with it and give value to them in that way. So it's basically taking care of the customer after the sale. Number 4 is you want to utilize pinning a post. So whenever you have an important announcement, you can make a post about it, and then you can go to the 3 dots. That's the option, or the settings option, and you can click pin. And what that's going to do is pin that post to the top of your page. And if you're having a flash sale, like 20% off for the next 2 days, or buy one, get one free for 24 hours, or whatever it is, you can pin that post so that when people come and visit your page, they see right away what's going on. Another thing about that is there's a featured section. So, well, you could upload images that showcase your most popular products, or if you have a sale going on specific items, you could showcase those specific items in that area. Number 5 is going live and showcasing your behind the scenes, like your products and your day-to-day that you do in your business. So you go live, and then you could hold up your ornament, hold up your machine, or open your machine, show them what it looks like. Start the machine, show them how it cuts, what it looks like. You could show your laptop, show your designing process, things like that. Just showcase the behind the scenes and then become more real to them. Okay, if you've made it this far, this is special for you. So this is the secret sauce. I'm going to give you 2 special things to do. And this was what I did that got me the most followers, the most engagement, the most sales. We went through all the preliminary things, but this right here is the secret sauce. Okay, so on the board, we have A1 and A2. I just want to let you know ahead of time that stands for Awesome 1 and Awesome 2. Okay, so in my previous video, you'll remember that I said you want to invite all of your Facebook friends. And if you're partnered with somebody, you both want to invite all of your Facebook friends, okay? So you're going to have about 100, 200 people in your members group to start with. Now, after that's done, you're going to go with A1 here. Awesome 1, run a giveaway. And with that, you're going to find a product, whatever it is that you have. It could be, well, if you do a product, you're going to find a product. If you have a service, you're going to do a service. This is going to work for any business that you have a Facebook group or like page, but this is for our group. So find a product. What is it? Locate that first. Now, you're going to set up a simple giveaway with that product or a bundle of products. You're going to create a post. And within that post, you want to say, like and comment, and then share this post on your page, okay? And the reason that you're going to say share it on your page is because other people from their page, their personal Facebook page, is going to see that giveaway. Now, this is why you want to make sure that product is appealing, okay? Because you want to make sure that someone looks at it and say, hey, I want to enter this giveaway. That thing looks cool. So you've got that done. Like, comment, share to your page, and then that's how they enter. Another thing that you can do with that is encourage your members to tag people in the comments, because what that'll do is it boosts engagement, and then that'll make the post more visible to other people. Also, number 2 is create a referral contest. Now here's the keys. You'll tell each member that every time they invite somebody, that's going to count as an entry to this contest. So you're going to ask the members to share a specific number, and then that number is going to equal a certain number of entries. So you could say, okay, for every 5 people that you invite, you'll get 1 entry. Or you could say for every 1, you get 1. Whatever that number is, you can do that how you want to do it, but that's what you want to start with. And then for that one, you can tell them what the prize is up front, or you can have it be a surprise, something that they just get at the end. Either way, you want to make sure it's a good thing so that you don't disappoint anybody, because you want to make sure that these people, these members, these valuable members, you want to make sure that they want to join in on your things all the time. Because the first giveaway that you do, and you give away some dinky little ornament or some keychain that you got for free, they're going to look at you and be like, well, I'm going to unfollow this page. You know, that's what I would do. I wouldn't want to enter any more of your things. So you just want to make sure that this product is a great product. It's going to be very useful. It's personalized. And then here's the thing. What that person's going to do when they win, they're going to post it on their Facebook page. They're going to tag your page. They're going to make a post and say, oh, they love it so much. And then you got your success. You got people. That's a curiosity post. So I hope all those tips helped you. And then if you stayed to see the secret sauce, A1, well, Awesome 1 and Awesome 2, then I especially appreciate you. So thank you for tuning in with me. If you have any questions about this or anything else, like and subscribe first, but then comment below so I can help you with any questions that you have, okay?